What's up, guys? A and B Cards here. First box break on a new camera. Got a Gridiron gearbox right there, 08. And later, I don't know if I'm going to do another one. I might do a Leaf Limited, so start breaking, trying to get that out of the way. See if we can keep the good mojo going with the Gridiron gear. Okay, all base, except for Chad Henne Next Generation, numbered 100. Yeah, numbered 100. Rookie of Calais Campbell, I'm sure numbered to 999. So it doesn't look like it's a hot box. Okay, all base. Open for let's say a jumbo patch. Somebody nice. All base again. That pack fell apart. An X of Devin Hester, numbered to 250. So, 2 inserts and a rookie so far. Nothing to write home about. Chris Collinsworth, Performers, numbered to 500. Rest of base. Looks like our first hit, Dexter Jackson, 31 of 50. Hey, nice. Dexter Jackson, jersey autograph, right there. 31 out of 50. That's a nice card. Stinks it's Dexter Jackson, but hey, jersey autograph, right? Still hoping for a patch, something. All base. All base. Okay, rookie of Kevin Smith, jumbo jersey, or a patch. Can't exactly tell. Nice big blue swatch, numbered 9 out of 50. So, nice card. So 2 rookies so far. All base in that pack. If I see another hit, I might save it, just because it should be the last one. Derek Anderson, O, numbered to 250. All base. Rookie of Thomas Brown. Ted Hendricks, number 10 out of 100. Performers. Inserts. Oh, last card. Tom Brady, X. That was the last hit. Nice blue. It kind of looks like a patch, but Tom Brady X. So a couple packs left. I think those are probably the 3 hits. And Antoine Cason, rookie. Last 2 packs, all base. And the last one should be all base, or not a 10, I should say. Player timeline algae crumpler fell on the ground, so I'm not going to get it. Okay, we'll be back hopefully for the other box of Leaf Limited.